wengane zawethu impela sibona lapha ku YouTube nje bese iphindile phana uKheli Khumalo emva kokuKheli Khumalo ke wahambela ke enye yama podcast lapha ke waveza ke uJube njengonobaba ke oyinto yalutho kanti ke wengane zathu uJube bese bonga yena uKheli Khumalo ukuthi ke akwazi ukuthi phela ke agcine ke indodana yabo ngenkathi ke wayesejele ke eboshiwe ukuthi ke ize noba ke wayeboshiwe kodwa ke wayekwazi ukuthi mangaba ke uyibirthday yakhe ke indodana ke ayifakele ke phela ke izipho noba futhi ke uKhisiMsihu ayikwazi ba impela ke azithumele ke izipho uthi inkinga enkulu ke uKheli Khumalo uyamvimbela ke uJube mangaba efuna ukuphela kwenza ke usiko ke ngeindodana ke yakhe mangaba ke efuna ukuthi impela ke ayokhokha phana ke amadamage bafowethu impela ke ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu ngicela bala kweMbosi MTV sinethulile yona ke lenkulumo kaJube nani ke nizwele.
A lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying now. So, awuqala Kheli Nonhlanhla ngifaka ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle ngizama ukuyibuka kahle ngibona into lezama uyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like Lento Lewe Nzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Beseng mangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kheli, you and I both know what court is like. And it's just understood ukuthi iyababa, iyabanda, it's hard for the bosoms, yabo? So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get boy. Number two, you know how many times your sister, Ukumete, and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi boy sigehlangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone boy. Angazi why ulokubambisele uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi ubheka uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngeke ukwenza ingane yami iAI. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let uboy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Uyahamba uyabula ama podcast nyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand what makhuluma ngami obviously uzoba uha then wonke umuntu ondlingano bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingano baondliwa bona were they ever want that bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifaka indabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And again, from the time Sase jail, I would bring a coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to F4 every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking. I've been wanting Christian. Christian has never thrown at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukulogo uza kimi kona manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu uJubu useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowekula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way, so stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. I need to prove it. Up until you started sending my gifts back from 2015 or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I've been wanting Christian Christian has never thrown at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukulogo uza kimi kona manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu uJubu useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowekula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way, so stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop. Thank you very much for taking care of a Christian. Can I please have my son back? I'm live and kicking. He's not AI. Maybe, whatnot. But stop making him AI. Uboy, man. Good at Uboy. Danko King.